Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into something huge today, a literal game changer. We're dissecting The AI Advantage by Gladys Osegi. You know, right now, a lot of folks are just treating AI like a fun little toy. But the really forward-thinking entrepreneurs, they're quietly using it as a massive, critical business partner. So let's dive right in and break down exactly how you can get on the right side of this massive shift.
All right, so look at what's happening out there. We are seeing a major AI divide. On one side, you've got your casual AI user, right? They're messing around, asking funny questions, maybe generating some quirky images for the group chat, which is totally fun. But then you have the strategic AI user. And these folks, they aren't just playing around. They're actively figuring out how this tech can save them hours of time, automate the boring stuff, and most importantly, grow their bottom line. Making that jump from casual to strategic, that's where the real leverage is.
Section 1. Curing entrepreneurial burnout. Because let's be real, making that strategic shift is absolutely crucial for the health of your business and honestly, for your own sanity.
If you run a small business, you already know this reality all too well. I mean, you're never just the CEO, are you? You're the marketer, coming up with ad campaigns. You're the lead content creator, the core strategist, and, oh yeah, the customer service rep answering emails in your pajamas at 11 p.m. It is literally exhausting. And historically, the only way to take all those hats off was to hire a huge team or fork over cash for an expensive agency. And let's face it, most small businesses just do not have the capital for that.
But here's where things get wild. The most important number in this entire new paradigm is just one. Yep, one single person. Today, one person armed with the right AI skills can literally execute the workload that used to take a 5-person team. I'm talking about having AI act as your marketing assistant, your copywriter, and your data analyst, all rolled into one. Once you actually grasp that, you stop seeing AI as a novelty and start seeing it as the ultimate cure for entrepreneurial burnout.
Moving on to Section 2, New AI Income Streams. So we've talked about saving time and curing burnout, but what about actually making money? Let's get into the really exciting stuff.
This is where all that theory becomes reality. People are using AI right now to outline and script entire faceless YouTube channels in a single afternoon. No joke. They're setting up automated email sequences that literally nurture leads while they sleep. They're churning out ebooks, printables, online courses, and designing top-tier marketing campaigns with zero overhead. Some smart folks are even taking these exact skills and just offering AI services directly to other businesses who haven't caught on yet. The barrier to entry for creating a brand new income stream right from your couch has literally never been lower.
Section 3. The mindset hurdle. Because look, if it's really this accessible, why on earth isn't everyone doing it? Well, there's a catch.
As Gladys Osegi points out perfectly, the bigger challenge is not technology, it's mindset. See, there's this massive myth out there that you need some fancy computer science degree to use AI. Totally false. Modern AI tools run entirely on natural language. I mean, frankly, if you can successfully text your family group chat without causing total chaos, you have the technical skills you need to start right this second. People are just intimidating themselves before they even open the app.
And you know what that intimidation leads to? The absolute biggest mistake we see: consuming instead of implementing. People will sit there and watch endless tutorial videos. They'll save 100 top 10 AI prompts posts, but they never actually build the skill themselves. Information alone doesn't create income, right? Action does. The folks who are winning right now are simply the ones willing to practice consistently and actually put what they're learning into motion.
Which brings us right to Section 4, the implementation advantage. Let's talk about why taking action today, like right now, is absolutely critical.
Because timing absolutely matters. Think back for a second to the early days of the social media boom. The creators who figured out those platforms first, they built massive empires simply by being early movers. Well, guess what? We are in that exact same phase with artificial intelligence right now. While everyone is talking about it, very few are actually implementing it effectively. Starting today gives you a multi-year head start over everyone else who's just waiting around for it to become the standard.
Now, if you're sitting there feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. The secret here is to start incredibly small. Step 1, just pick one tool, like ChatGPT. Step 2, practice a single skill. Maybe try writing a welcome email for your business. Then, step 3, create one piece of content. Just take one step. Honestly, the moment you see that first piece of content generate right before your eyes, a light bulb is going to go off and all that intimidation will completely vanish.
And hey, if you want a really structured place to take that first step, today's insights come directly from the GLAD coaching community. Founded by Gladys Asage over at gladwaitlist.com, it is an amazing hub designed specifically to help beginners move away from that passive consumption and into practical, business-focused implementation.
We have covered a lot of ground in this explainer today, but I want to leave you with one final thought. AI isn't magic, okay? It's just a tool. The question is no longer whether it's going to change the business world. That is a done deal, it's a fact. The only real question left on the table is, will you learn how to use it to your advantage?